Hi guys. My name is Blessed. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to format USB flash drive from command prompt. By formatting, you can easily fix any USB flash drive, pen drive or memory stick that is write protected, virus infected, corrupted, damaged, unreadable, unrecognized by PC and mobile.
JomeTechs. Search, explore, and discover.
Step 1, type CMD in the search box, then you can get the best match called command prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Step 2, on the command prompt window, type disk part and press Enter. Step 3, type list disk and press Enter. According to the list disk information, check which disk is your USB flash drive. For example, disk 1. Step 4, now type select disk 1 and press Enter. Step 5, type clean. Wait some time for disk erasing. Step 6, type create partition primary and press Enter. Step 7, after disk part successfully created the specified partition, type format fs equals ndfs and press Enter. If you prefer other file system formats, change the command ndfs to the desired one such as FAT32, exFAT, etc. Step 8, type assign to create a drive letter to the flash drive.